I'm just gonna do a quick checkup real quick to see how these things are looking. Holy Toledo. Dang, dude, look at this. Purple gang. Dang, dude. That looks ridiculous. Alright, well, I'm gonna keep going. Try to get as much color out of this, I guess, as I can, and then I'll pull them out. Man, they look dope though. So far so good. This is holding up pretty good. So we have a purple sneaker. This is crazy. I think this is gonna look insane. Interesting the way that the glue and stuff like around here doesn't absorb, but all in all, I think I like this. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out and then get the other one started. Gotta be careful pulling it out. I don't want to spill all of that liquid everywhere. I'm gonna put that one in here for a second. Operation Submerge, shoe number 2 is a go. Definitely looks more like a burgundy-ish, I don't know, like a purple burgundy. Let's try it, wash it off though and see. Use cold water and just gonna rinse it off. It looks pretty much exactly like the first one, which is exactly what we want. So I think we're good to go on this one. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Alright, so this is the finalized product, as you can see from the dip dye from the Salt Yeezy 500s. I went with that purple color, and you can see it looks pretty decent. I mean, I actually really like the results. There's a little bit of sloppiness in the midsole area right here. For some reason, this rubberized material didn't pick up the dye very well. You could actually probably go over this again with another purple dye if you guys wanted to, or you could probably just do like a paint potentially on there. But I really like the purple suede. I mean, this is like way more vibrant than obviously just the Salt color. And the other thing is, I really like how when you dip dye the 500, you notice there's a lot of different layers to the shoe. Like there's a layer here of suede, and then underneath it there's a little bit of piping, and then there's more piping here in a different leather tone, and then there's the mesh, all different colors and different tones. Even the liner, it's all one purple. And that's the fun of dip dye, is you can take one uniform colored shoe, dip it, and because of the different materials and the way it absorbs the dye, it ends up being something with a lot of more range and dynamic to the finished product. Now, I went with the purple. There's so many different colors out there that you can do. And just so you guys know, I did the regular dye. I did not do the synthetic dye this time. For the Yeezy 350 V2s, in the chocolate colorway that I did do a synthetic dye, and the rubber material actually took on the synthetic better than the upper. But because this is suede and it's like a natural material, I really wanted to do the regular dye and see how it turned out. So that's what I did. Not bad for a couple bucks for the dye. That's really all it takes, is just a couple dollars, and you can make or break the shoe. And honestly, it's kind of a risky move. Yes, I know, because it's like a $200 shoe. You throw them in a pot with some dye and you pull it out, and it could look okay or it could look like trash. I personally think it looks better than the Salt colorway. The Salt colorway was too close to the other two colorways we already saw. So being able to just completely transform it and make it something your own and just a little bit different is just fun for me to be able to do. So I like the finalized results. I think the colors of purple are pretty close together too. I wish I had a big enough pot to do them both at the same time. This one feels a little bit richer than this one, honestly, but it looks pretty darn close. Once the dye dries, you'll definitely notice the difference between that. But that's the video, man. I just wanted to show you guys my final results of this. I've been telling you guys on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube that I was going to be doing this dip dye for a long time, and I finally had the time to make it happen. So if you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button, show you guys support on the video. I always appreciate when you guys do that. And I think I'm almost to 400,000 subscribers. So if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and maybe the notification bell if you want to be notified of when my videos go live. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. If you guys want to see more random custom videos, maybe check the link in the description. Check out my channel too. Sometimes some of my videos you guys might miss, and so you can browse through there and check out the other videos I post. But have a great rest of the day and more videos for you guys very soon. Peace, guys.